manager and access your new page at any time. Use the workflow detail above to complete this setup. Connect the page to your WhatsApp business accounts or cancel out of the promote. Choose a username that unique to your business and consistent access channels. Write a short description of your business. Add business details including your website, phone number, hours, and location. Upload a profile photo and a cover photo that find the recommended dimension. Select a template for your page and adjust the tabs to meet your needs. Publish an introductory post and invite friends to like your page. Number 4, add team members to your business page. To add admins or employees to your page, go back to business settings, open the accounts drop down menu and select page. Find your new page in the list and click the add people button, then choose the people you like to add. Plan to add at least once admins and then add other team members as employees. That way, you can give people the necessary access only, such as publishing content, responding to engagement, and sending messages without giving them complete control over your page. Optimizing tips for your new Facebook business page. To market your business more effectively, use the optimization tips below. Link your business Instagram account. If you plan to market your business on Instagram too, connect the two accounts, open the settings for your Facebook page and select Instagram for the left and tab. Then click the contact account button. Choose whether you want your Instagram message to appear in your Meta inbox and click continue. Then log into your business Instagram account and finishing linking the below. Once you connect them, you can manage comments and messages for both Facebook and Instagram in your Meta inbox. You can also publish and schedule content to both for your business suite. Add Facebook and Instagram shops. If you business sell products online, you can use your Facebook page and Instagram accounts to increase sales. To set up your shop, click to get a start button on your Facebook page. Alternatively, open Comments Manager from Business Manager or Business Suite. Then use this Instagram shop or Facebook shop tutorial to set up your shop. You can set up your shop on or both channel and create catalogs that you can find advertising. Set up service, appointments or orders. If your business offers service rather than products, you can promote them through your business page. To add a menu, first select the restaurant page template, then switch on the menu tab on your page and upload a menu file. To promote service, choose the business page template and switch on the service tab. Then go your page, click the more drop-down menu and select the service tab. For each service, you can write a description, list price, and show timing. To allow customers to book appointments through Facebook, change the CTA button on your page to book now. You can contract a third-party booking tool or allow people to book on Facebook. Use Business Suite to post content regularly to attract more followers, get engagement, and meet your marketing goals. Publish content regularly. With Business Suite, you can publish or schedule posts and stories to your Facebook page and your Instagram account. Use the optimal time recommendation to find the best days and time to reach your audience. Check Business Suites to set goals and track process for your page